Alright, so this is a new screenplay called The Sound of Color. It was released in 2018. This is scene 1. It's called The Sound of Color. It says, a black woman with a suit walks into an office with a cubicle and a glass window. There's a window behind the glass. There is a woman behind the glass window and red hair. Now this gets very difficult. This is where you change your actors, okay? It says, Woman 1, hello, welcome to Chrysler Financial. Woman 2, I'm here to sign a disclosure. Woman 1, I'm Andrea Dorsey. I assisted with your purchase of your vehicle. Woman 2, Julie Amber. I'm Julie Amber. This car is a lemon. I want to repair it and pay the balance off. Andrea Dorsey. Can we offer you a new car or maybe keep this one? Your insurance contacted us. Julie Amber. My husband just bought a car. Andrea Dorsey. Let me introduce you to Tiffany Smart. She is a model for Chrysler Financial. It's very complicated. Julie Amber. Why? Tiffany Smart. We would like to hire you to work in our fashion show. I hear you have 2 jobs. Julie Amber. Correct. If I don't leave now, I'll be late. Tiffany. Do you have a card? Tiffany Smart. Yes, I do. Are you? I have to go. Very complicated. Okay? So the woman appears, and then she becomes a character, then she becomes a name, then she becomes an employee, then she becomes your life. Scene 1.